subscribe.
Kenobi's my sister. Today we are going to be rating my fidgets. So this is the first one I'm doing, are my sensory bags. So this is the first one. This is a wintry themed one. They are definitely worth it. The ones with gel in them are way better. This one doesn't have as much as in it, so I would recommend putting a lot more. But if you fold it, it's kind of better. I like it. And then I have this one that's has a bunch of glitter in it, and it's actually really fun to play with and really satisfying. So I recommend making a glittery one. And then here's another one that's supposed to be Galaxy. It's really cool. It has a lot more, so it's a lot more. It's fun to play with. So yeah, that fidget. So I would rate them. I would rate this one a 10 out of 10. I would rate this one maybe like 8 out of 10. And then I would rate this one a 5. I would rate this 5 out of 10. Next fidgets are my water bottle fidgets. I love my water bottle fidgets, my sister. So here's my green one. Here's this purple one. And here's this blue one. And then my new one, here's this one. I would rate this one like a 7 out of 10 because it's not as squishy, but it's still fun to play with. I would rate this one an 8 out of 10. This one a 5 out of 10. It's not that fun. Sorry. And then I would give this a 10 out of 10 because it's so much more squishier that I can always end up making these more squishier. I just didn't know how at first, and now I do. And now this is mine, so it's an 8 out of 10. Yeah. She's mad at me. What?
Why'd you rate mine? Why'd you rate mine?
I don't know.
Why'd you rate mine then?
I rated it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, you did it.
Yeah, I did.
Why'd you rate it?
10 out of 10.
I think she's lying.
Stop. Alright, go. Stop. Oh my god. Savannah, you could have broke my phone.
5.
Go. Please. I'm trying to do my video. Okay, and then I have these silly putties that I'm going to rate also. I rate all of them a 0 because I don't like silly putty. So I rate all of them a 0. But in color, I love the colors. Just the way they feel and the way they play is all a big fat 0. So, yeah. Poppets are 10 out of 10. Mine are like a 0 out of 10, but it's okay. I do love poppets though. Here's this like dough poppet kind of. I don't know what it really is called, but it's really fun, and I'm gonna rate it I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. And then fidget spinners are also amazing. So they're not the best though, like my favorite. So we'll just give it a 5 out of 10. Okay. And then I have these little rings that are so cool, like so fun to play with. Here's an orange one. I have 2 orange ones. And I have a purple one too. So I give them a 10 out of 10. They're amazing. And then straws, I love straws. 10 out of 10. These squishy penguins, they get like a 6. Slime gets like a 5. And this sketch thing gets 1. This gets 1. have a bunch of other things in this little packaging. Let's see. Oh, this sprinkle thing gets a 10 out of 10. My favorite. This balloon bead, 10 out of 10. Everything in here gets a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. 10 out of 10s. This necklace, beaded necklace, gets a 10 out of 10. No, actually, it gets like a 3. It's not the best. It's not the best, but it's still fun to play with. It's just not my favorite. What else is in here? Oh, I have a bunch of things in here. All these balloons are amazing. I want to give them all like a 5. Guppies are amazing. 10 out of 10. Puzzle erasers are a 10 out of 10. It's stuck. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I was confused on something. What else is in here? Oh yeah, my homemade squishies. They're a 10 out of 10. Anything else? No, that's 2 of everything. This gets a 1. I hate this. This gets a 5. 10. A 5. And a 5. They're not my favorites, but they're still fun. Oh yeah, my fuzzies. So fun. Fuzzies. Little fuzzy. It's a little like doggy, but it's still like it's fuzzy. It's really fun to play with. Let's see. And my water marble mesh thingy. Amazing. Squishy balloon, 10 out of 10. More poppets, 10 out of 10. Oh, and a pea popper. That's like a 6 out of 10. So, I think that's all my poppets. So, yeah. I think that's basically all my puppets. And a little update on for you guys. I apparently don't have school tomorrow, so my night routine thing for like school was, I mean, not a waste, because like I know you guys want to know, but I mean, I don't have school tomorrow, so I could have did that like tomorrow. But whatever. I didn't know. And then my friend texted me and she was like, you guys like we don't have school tomorrow. And I was like, wait, what? And then like my mom just got home and I was like, can you like check the calendar and like see? And then I was like, my friend, she said that we don't have school. And then my mom was like, yeah, we don't have, like, you guys don't have school. My mom, they just called and told me, and then I was like, oh, and I was so excited, and, like, so fun. We still have to go to bed, not, like, extremely early, but still a little bit early, because my sister has a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and, we just have to get on that schedule, because my sister is a bit of a crazy person when it comes to stuff like that, so I just gotta make sure that we get enough sleep for her to wake up, and yeah. So, I hope you guys have a good rest of the night, and have fun on your day off of school, if you guys have it, because some people don't, because we have a snow day, that's why we don't have school. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day tomorrow, and yeah, stay safe and celebrate life. Bye guys.